Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to tell you the most important questions of UGC NET exam, and these questions are oftenly asked in previous year NET exams, and those who are preparing for upcoming NET exam, these questions will help you more score. The first question is, which among the following is the most effective method of teaching? The options are lecture method, discussion method, seminar method, and project method. Option D. Project method is right answer to this question. The first step of research is, the options are identifying the problem, reviewing literature, collecting data, and defining objectives. Option A. Identifying the problem is the right answer to this question. In communication, connotation refers to, the options are literal meaning of a word, hidden or implied meaning, technical meaning, and standard meaning. Option B. Hidden or implied meaning is right answer. Which was the first open university established in India? Option A. Nalanda Open University. Option B. Indira Gandhi National Open University. It's known as IGNOU. And option C. Yashwantrao Chauhan Malhotra Open University. And the last one is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University. Here option D. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Open University is right answer to this question. If a researcher reuses their own previously published work without acknowledging it, what is this called? Options are fabrication, falsification, self-plagiarism, and intellectual theft. Option C. Plagiarism is right answer to this question. Which gas is primarily responsible for acid rain? Option B. SO2 is right answer to this question. The process of converting analog signals into digital signals is called modulation, demodulation, digitalization, and amplification. Option C. Digitalization is right answer to this question. The term grapevine communication refers to, the options are horizontal communication, informal communication, vertical communication, and the fourth one is mass communication. Option B. Informal communication is the right answer to this question. Which of the following is the regulatory body for teacher education in India? A. UGC. Option B. NCERT. Option C. NCTE. And option D. AICTE. Here NCTE is right answer to this question. The most important quality of a good teacher is, the options are sound knowledge of a subject, regularity and punctuality, patience and perseverance, effective communication skills. Option D. Effective communication skills is right answer. Which research method studies past events? Historical, survey, experimental, and descriptive. Option A. Historical is right answer. The null hypothesis is rejected when, option C. Calculated value greater than table value is right answer to this question. Question number 13. Which of the following is a non-probability sampling technique? The options are stratified sampling, cluster sampling, systematic sampling, and purposive sampling. Option D. Purposive sampling is the right answer to this question. The reliability of a research tool indicates. Options are accuracy of measurement, consistency of results, applicability, and objectivity. Here, option B, consistency of results is right answer. A research problem should be ambiguous, vague, clearly defined, and very broad. Here, option C, clearly defined is right answer to this question. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends.